In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Claude AI and start your first chat. We'll walk through getting to the site, signing in quickly, and sending your first message so you can start getting helpful answers right away. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading to claude.com. That takes you to Claude AI's homepage and sign-in area. You don't need to prepare anything in advance. Just make sure you can access your email or your Google account. On the sign-in page, you'll see options to continue with Google or with email. If you want the fastest route, pick Continue with Google. This uses your existing Google account to authenticate, so there's no extra password to type here. Select your Google account from the list that appears, confirm any prompt that shows up, and you'll be signed in instantly. If your browser is already logged into Google, this can be as simple as 1 or 2 clicks. If you prefer not to use Google, choose Continue with Email. Enter your email address carefully. Small typos can prevent the code from arriving. If a verification code is requested, check your inbox for a message from the service, copy the code, and paste it into the prompt to complete sign-in. This quick verification step helps keep your account secure. Once that's confirmed, you're ready to start using Claude AI. After you're signed in, look for the New Chat button. Click it to open a fresh conversation. This gives you a clean space to ask about anything you need, whether it's drafting text, brainstorming ideas, summarizing information, or getting help with a task. Type your question or request into the chat box at the bottom of the screen, then press Enter. Be as clear and specific as you can. Mention any context that matters, like the goal, audience, or format you want. Short doesn't have to mean vague. A few precise details can greatly improve the result. Claude will generate a response for you. Read it through and see how closely it matches what you had in mind. From here, simply continue the conversation. You can ask follow-up questions, request clarifications, or ask for revisions in a different tone, length, or level of detail. Iterating is part of the process. Treat it like a back and forth to reach your ideal outcome. When you're ready to switch topics, click New Chat again to start fresh. That's all you need to sign in, open a new chat, type your first prompt, and keep the conversation going. Now you're set to explore what Claude AI can do for you.